This is Charles with Ariel SkyCam with you here. I am at Interstate Transmission Nationwide Tire Shop. Actually, correction, that's going to be Nash's Tire Shop. I'm getting a tire put on the Volvo. So one of the things about hurricanes that you keep in mind is, hey, they have a lot of debris, right? As we discussed, there's a pretty loud truck leaving right there. As we discussed, there's a lot of debris whenever you're riding around in hurricane areas, and so sometimes you get a flat, and that's what happened to me. My tire got destroyed by some debris from the hurricane. I think it happened around Golden Meadow whenever I was coming back from that trip that I showed you guys, where we went out to Grand Isle, and that was the tire in question right there. So it's a pretty nice tire, but now it's gone, and that's my new one rolling out. And so my friends here at Nash's #1 tire shop in Baton Rouge are about to put on my tires, so no complaints. But that's the problem with these storms. Hurricane Ida came through, as we said, August 29th, 2021, a historic day, the 16th anniversary of Hurricane Katrina. And it seems like the Volvo was a victim of that hurricane because we lost a tire thanks to the storm. This is Charles with Ariel SkyCam with you at Nash's #1 tire shop. As you can see, Baton Rouge is looking a lot better. Right down the road there, one of my previous videos, that's where they were sandbagging. You can actually see in the distance, that's an energy truck over there working on power lines. We got 3 energy power line workers right there at the corner. And they were saying they're working 16-hour days. They've been restoring power. Baton Rouge is coming back. You can see the soccer fields across the street at Traction Sports and Performance. I'm not getting any promotional for that, but it's looking pretty good. Charles with Ariel SkyCam getting a tire at Nash's #1 tire shop due to damage from Hurricane Ida. Be sure and like and subscribe. Smash that like button. Charles with Ariel SkyCam out.